你好. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is black bean chicken. Black beans are fermented soybeans. Black bean sauce is prepared black beans with other ingredients such as garlic, soy sauce, salt, and sugar. It's much easier to use black bean sauce than simply black beans. Black bean sauce is available in the ethnic food section in the regular grocery stores here in the U.S. Black bean sauce is very versatile and can be used with almost any kinds of meats or seafood. Now, before we start, let's take a look at what we need for the dish.
Here's the list of ingredients.
Before we start cooking, let's work on the preparation of ingredients. 4 ounces onion cut into bite-sized pieces. I'm using red onion. You can use any onion of your preference. 16 ounces green pepper cut into bite-sized pieces. 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil. 2 tablespoons black bean sauce. 8 ounces chicken cut into bite-sized pieces. I'm using chicken drum meat. You can use breast if you prefer. Typically you can get 8 ounces of meat out of 3 chicken drums. We are going to marinate chicken with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of Chinese cooking wine. You can use dry sherry as the substitute. Mix well and set aside. We finished the preparation and now we are ready to cook. I am turning on my electric wok to 350 degrees, which is high heat for the electric stove or medium to high heat for the gas stove. I am adding 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil to let it heat for 1 minute until the oil is hot. It's been a minute. The oil is hot. We're going to cook the onion for 1 minute until the onion is slightly soft. It's been a minute. The onion is slightly soft. We're going to cook the chicken for 1 minute until the color of the meat is no longer pink. It's been a minute. The chicken color is no longer pink. We're going to add the black bean sauce to cook for 1 minute. It's been a minute since we added black bean sauce. Now we're going to add green pepper to cook for 2 minutes until the green pepper is slightly soft. It's been 2 minutes. The green pepper is slightly soft. It is done.
Let's have a quick review of what we've done.
I hope you will enjoy this dish, which is fast, affordable, and tasty. Happy home cooking. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.